In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel sent friend request on your PS5. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you have to press the PS button. This is the PS button, press it and then go to game base and press X. Now here go to this icon here and press X, the friend request icon, and now here go to send and press X, and here you will see all of the friend requests you have sent. Now to cancel a friend request, go to the right side. You can see here is the cancel besides the name of that user, and you have to press X on cancel and the friend request will be cancelled. And so this is how you can cancel a sent friend request on your PS5. Thanks for watching.